Yo brother Joe. Ene ye baya, I'm saying ne digida. O catch it say. Ene 22nd August. Bitter Truth. Ye besa ba Facebook live. Na waba be church in Sembia. What's a Christo for ete na omede bo mo bra. And I say eti ase wo chosen nim. Nje na o ka so be ka bibia for apostleship ho. Ye baya ye ba bitim.
Yo, macha better to phone na what I want you say na macha mo na plenty ko so mo tie me. So I be church better to be aba wi ase say e be ma de nyina ko na pray. And tie bu ba ko pray ni. Ye de wa say ye be kai mo sen bia ye raise su basa so 2000 years ago. Obeja no asade so ye nsamanse a owura no wuye na ase tintim ye ma wo pe bi o pe so be di na chi. Asema on fa mo no bra. Ono ko na ti be nipa nkwa. Matthew 5, 6, and 7. And this assembly, the mini of the generous as a soul that or it is a Babu import that was like it is a nipa in Kanakuma and Matthew 5, 6, and 7. Utua, a commando, a turinity, and money panway day, or new quabu. You will feel more that can unite your stories be seen, baby. And quite just a baby. The bow yes to come say. So what don't make the machete so no, I don't know. I should be better yes to the baby, I said. Apart from what the meaning say, Matthew 5, 6, and 7 to be who you. And the yesu di ma ye nti we ne ye be kai wiase wona odo awrade mo mo pere so mo to awrade so ye be kai mo se mo fa Matthew 5 6 and 7 ko wura ma so we ne kan to ko we ne ka bufo we ne ka tedi so kai dai efri he ye ka se da wa sorry better to fear tia sorry ye ne se ye be bo mo so mo do awrade no ne ya mo hu asem bi se mo refi mo kai se wo kai ye be mo mo ye ba ko na se bo ye ba ko so ba bu di adanse se depending na be hu se na me ye dai this one e buda no me yina so depends ya se no we pɛ de wo ha ya ye posa se no de wodi kire dependina na do for do awrade no ti we kum se ye yira na kasa no ko tie mi wurasem enyo de bi asem keke asem bi Peter mo be kan na asase so na de Yesu aka atwo mo be kan wo de wo asem de ma wiase Yesu de wo asem de wo se so do me di ma hye de so san se ma be wu ama sori me di tumi ama mo ko ye ma nyina mesua fo no mo ko tete se woni de ba de ma hye asem wo de ma asem mo ka na ka o kan asem na asem ne wo wiase bi mo I can't smoke can Matthew 5, 6, and 7. Obi bo wanya day, and money be obi sell day a day. Obi person of February, a man now which my day, and must say the pan. So I didn't want to order that. First, they play it for 30 years to buy a day, you play it for 30 bill. Into some bureau, Kekalon Qua police station that one day. Here is Sina Capacity to die. If it's a white day, how many a day? Maybe me was a watch one more in the bed day. Maybe wow. It was a woman who you must show a day, and it's a mamma. So we just saw a dinner will be a right day. What I did, one check woman in your only baby. So soon as the order, woman in me, a comedy say day. Maybe, where should be in a race to the buy? That's the young cast as a more young camp. Never go yes to did the hotel will be a phobia, and then yes to be Mukwa. If I so be a yes so. And I'm said, and so I don't remember, will be actually the Sika or painting, will be a jacket carefully. Yes, I said, I said, maybe a Mamuka, most of my day. No, Pani be an apart yesterday. That's what I call me with sisters, baby. Maybe I must have a family. Then for come one my day. About maybe I will come back yesterday, baby, bro. It might be my way day. Oh, yeah. When the church in us, then they made a year. Morning be a soul, young Quasia for not attending every day. Yet they came up well. A disciple couple for baby a good show. Now, most of the 9% away was sunny. What Chinaka was sunny. Chimricabia, I couldn't do it too. That's one year, said, Daddy, you obey your be a better moon can so why not a day? That's what him came to where you beside day. Yet your capital to feel the came up at one more Muslim boy right there. The more you did, there's somebody used to do the Hatam. The woman come the day. I took question the Bible can say when I ban them the bed day. And it's better to fear yes, and yes, and be in your children. What your 5, 6, and 7 years. Be and come with you. And the church one of the radio corner. Yet the intimate counseling now himself on rabbit. Yet, sorry. Yet there's a person of Bobra. Sasa more the Bobra and my yes to whom said, where they? We am Shirley. We am the Chidini. Now we am a banso. As my in Muno, a Jama Porker said. And they said, we sit here, and so can't flip to 2 verses 2 of 1. Said we sit here, and you say, one woman shall not be a minimum change through. I don't move us through, and you have one day. And you want to quite your woman, take it to Sophia, sir, and now saw that we is in the day, near some more, what am I quite into Musica? As you got to some Sika Jenny, and come. Sikapia, ye a very wish ye be, and I hear from Tilly. Ye is come. ye nye correction sa kwakusi asoda fa usika paint asoda je ye ni sika pa paint asoda mi wa ne ye ni ti enti ka yesu wo a enko be pese ka yesa de bi ta o paint asoda o ka ne ye ni to enti mo je ye fo sika enti nye mo mo bokura enye mo ni wu so mo tete cast na ye afo mo trace sika no ene na fo se sika kra yi admission kra onye sika ye de ene hwe ne ba na wo asofo no sa yire ho na wo magu ho ne ye hwe mo manyina sa de e ka ti se aso ye wu mi ho ti se SD ye hwe mo sa hwe mo man nan to bi e wo anu wo abo anu nan wo ye so ye ntimi wo sa perform ma be de e be nti nya bi so dudu na de gu mu so na ba bo se be hu de kra ma ya de hye nti pa se eni adentira mo ma Yesu enu ho so be wu ye na mo de ne din ye sa de ye ka kire mo so ma se de di atuma ka me no wura na ka kire se insha Allah mo so ya mo no ta mo ni baba nti no kansa mo ne tu mu di so mo ma ne gi gano fi se ma ka twa de so what do person de prayer class de se di penyi na de e ta na de so ayi abonte se for the better de be nya abra mo share no microphone be de e better no mo bo awurade din no a na Yesu ba wi ase no e Roman for the time no de bi na Jew for the time no na Jew for the ko ka kire Pontius Pilate se owrai o ko se tie Yesu mun kunu maye mo na mo nya bara ba yo ko hwini kromfo no na mun kunu Yesu eti ede ya aboa wo so ntum no no be de e be ka ntinya mo se chapter 5 for access Yesu atemni di nko aye repeater branch and the current attendee because ade ba kwa de ehu kra na the better to force mo da wase atene e wudi wo mo no wo na wo tie me nyina so mo da wase no mo nkoto dwegu fam e se wade se on fa sa afom so nya de and just say the way you know so nya sa never try to be like someone so so no wade na say no be ye dia usu no be me dipa nyina de e mo ba ko ye better to for the ose am te o sa o mu ni atem o mu ka se mo nya de e ti no ba no bi ya mo nya de o mu nya de na mo kan say nyame fa sa afom so nya de e to so unim wada do nyame fa bo no so nya de se penyi ti se na wo di ya temsa wo ne twa picture picture wo ne bode ni na ye de twa picture sa asma kan na yo ye de wo ha se be kan kra kire mo sika bi anka ho wo ne sika fa twa na wo mani de be bro so mu yie ni na wo de na de man sa de ready Yesu kan wo ye insira no de Yesu fa akosoro na ye be de e be yie fi se Yesu kan sa se e be se me kira se mi mo no mo ti ase me ko de do na be se bisma ka krebi na kan bi be fun in na de atom what bit my friend, what bit my trouble? Can't comment. Yeah, okay. What's the year no? So fresh so I be there. You be yellow. Now your number no. 0558. We screen so 344014. A straight line. And now what's up? One more man on one also. More friend 0546 546 198822. And so friend what's up? Beba. Yeah, before Mr. Wadoma. So friend, I asked him beside me. So person child here. Then here must come to your house here. Eti ale process am le na mo busa me abechi so we say anso a se be ya yanka wasam nhye nti no afre so pesa wo ne ye betena se wo ho kra na be fre be ba ne ya chire pesa ni be hu de kra ya kra dia fe kra ne ka sa sa na ye ka kra nye debate because ye nyina class am kra en chire mu na ye de ye ne ba nye debate de ka abrabem mo share ka o pen wasam so oba ha dia na ka ye de aye debate because ono okuti aye yesu de se ka ye de ya kuti ye ho asaba ko pen ne ho ye be chire mu se de ka na ye de kra ana de mo kana ede e ye kure na de kure wo empire de e ba ta e ti se ye bitter to for de ka de kure de na o se mo maka mo hwe na wo ede na musua Yesu de no kwasem bai no ko ayi akwa Nicodemus wo hwe di se los be sua de mi scholar na so de ba pai kan de mi share pen de bi be ko ma pai ho wo mi wi no na do na e fere man to kwa na do no wo share se wura ka se bi chere me na ho bra so mi a ntema Yesu chire ne se mu ma na ye de eti ase abra na wonim bibi dada na oyi de na wo mu no ana wo de fofo ye de egu ene o si di so I saw ma delete de wo so ne fa bi hye ma o se da bi nti nya tem de na obede obedie de ya wo de se ye wo no sa ne ye wadwi na next council Bible na ye de eti Bible do bi etimi kinkan bi best ntia se nye de enim sa ko fa book bi ni acho 2+2 e wo mu a answer say 4 4 na ya cho wo mbi da bi you this one na de e ko shin to se wo de ba ko se mu osoro hini mo hinta sa mo nye de mo tiase na nka me fa ye de me fa ma ho Yesu de ntia ba ya next mo be kan ye bia ya be bo ni kire se so ka se mpe no bie so to aka ku ntem nti na wo ya na wo de ntuma ye de akata so se fo busa na wo ye de mo ti mo akire because se ma na go ho no na wo nam Moses so akire no ne sam na ba na be kwa ye de etia eti so bie so ye be ku no enti na o kan ni na sha hinta ye so owu a na smartphone e pa ye de enya se bia o kan asem na to na o kan kan hu bie eti wo be kan ba ntia se de se wo propro pe na ye de e de ma what you mean for what doing there enti ma bo se da me se ka mo bo so de mi na ka be ka ba bo na ma de what you say na de na mo go pese ka ba tell years for be say preacher man ade tena ko so twesi kama say kan ye ti ase dia ka wo de won katimi kan ti ase Ethiopia Enoch no scholar na so mo kenka ba so ye dey no ti ase enti ase ne dia ma Peter mu honhom de kire wo ti say ye be je ready dia honhom be sa bange ye because so say the srema we mu a wo mo be kire so dey o so mo ka ho bi as to 40 what say enye we mu nko na wa mo so be dey o mo be kire na ko hye e da o ma mo ene mo ma ene wo na we dey wo wa chichi enti ye wo chichi na honhom ye dey e bange e bia ko honhom de ade ye na wo ye dey unim na ka oni pat mi trase e ka 200 something episodes or hwehwe so na the office say dey die nim die me go school he it is a school dey go swim yakoko ho nim die ka me die ne sen papa hwe kwate say set die no wi ase wo bie na so me pa we no aka anye ohu wo di die no kwate sa ase me hu die obeso kire na no wo dey ka share ko bi na your end will justify you you pa obi na tem wo wi e be kire conscious quality ye bi no so ye sa dey Domitius Larry the same thing also no so ye dey wo ye sa dey to aso keka kwa na de mu ja ne dey e mai e ba wo be dey we dey e shan ka mu nyina predio na ka say ye be kan se ma mu do na de a kire mu nyina na mate ase ye ha be se be church no no say de ma fast break a credit be se be call assembly straight say your apostleship say as my phone church na person church mu kire na mate ase na me ka mo yin tasem kire person this make a credit card you be na bie time na to o te frɛ to comment ni nyina be dey ye be kan na afi so ye dey ye tie wase ye and that's not about no what try who na dance for say who na nkyere wo ntumi hu and say graphic can with marking kan dey atiase we dey eye who asem osoro kachema na dey e da baabu mu ama baabu nya nkwa so osoro yi ne kachema film say yesu yi ne kachema nkwa bia nye dey e ni baabu mu bio eno na wo say lipa tiase nya no credit the cream no dey ma Pontius Pilate busa yesu say dem no the cream na ko say Pontius Pilate no ma dey friend the cream na woni na so mo say no cream bia e sa dey dey e dey the cream Babu we babu for Friday edem e na kire babu we ya da ho na se yes I want to make kan we anya dey e nti ase e kura hita sem bebre bibia yesu kan na we dey e won kire ase just what e dey ye dem e na bia meka ba kwa dey acho na ye to so every week bia be ye nti ye meka kan ba kuma ko sa na ma dey mo kire ase na bia mo so ma dey I say Israel for time what was that hope say adentina nyame paw Israel or paw omusu ko e dey women hope e chere bibio adentina nyame e hye wiase ase na o ma ya afe ase na o ma ye abosome say edumie no what you say e bi ene kokosi a that is wiase na dey akwa akosi adentina o ma edumie no wo busa ho pen say ada yesu nya mfie dumie hu ana okwa asori fi wo busa ho pen e bi wo busa ho pen de ntia yesu ba yo paw asomafo dey the chef say dumie no what was that open what was that open say was say obetena ahenwa dumie no so wo so no ayde wo bu asase ate what was that open and never come was am to be atru na me sha say free apamda da no na me fa me say fufu we wi asma ka krebi na me wi no to me busa bi hwe da be free Israel o ma Jacob wo amadumie sa na ba ka ho na Israel mo ba enka Israel ni bia ho Israel ni bia e be ma won ye wo na oba de okowuma enti wo ye oba na obi ba ware okowuma ma na busua ti Israel ni be na bia eye Israel ni oba nka nti na ye kan Israel fo a ye mfa ma anye de enka o de back to sumo so ye de e wo Kristo mu de oba ni oba ma so ye de enu oba shara be chira sa de de buta ye enti nyakobo nya Israel wonya dumie no no mo tena ye na dumie no no mo tena ye no na wono mo tena wo na hyede nyina ma so mo no mo nye de entina be chira de ntia e ti sa dumie no onya ono ba ko bia de fe ne dan o pause woni aboso betre nti oja nya kopo akire so o kan asema me ke o ka Genesis chapter 48 Genesis chapter 49 na sa asem ye de ewo enti e ba se dan de no ko ba aboso na obako akwa du ba ko no so ade no so se ye de e dumie mu na Jacob wo ne ma no de preso so wo no ana Joseph a okodi Misraim no a wo ma mienu Ephraim ana han Manasseh ana do mienu ye de e ba se papa be wudi e hyame mai ansa na why dey wako na Israel mo no yeshra panyi ye de nsa nipa yito panyi so ne de bonkum so dey ato akwala so le do se papa ni be hyra won an wo ye ne nsa se asma me kan kan Genesis chapter 48 49 sa sa ni nyina dey e wo an wo chim ne nsa na we ne se to Joseph we no se da bi nyasa na amane ne tie no ba no se Joseph miwra o ye set tie no se me ba me ye dey mini adentia na Israel ba ko aponi afirima o so we dey wo de ba ko ye dey e be shim enti na o shira ne nana no ba ko na be dey abeka ne ma ho eti ochi ni nsa no ne nsa nipa de koto manase so ntie ma de manase be ka Israel busuakuo dumi no du ba ko ma ne ye dai aye dumi e kire bibi de ntia eno ye dai e ba sa eti wadi tumbe yi du duma nya asase enya nipa dom bebre anya me na omo tira ye ne kire ka se basa de ma pa foforo bia e nte se Canadian na pa ma me na pam ye se de me de moja aye de aboa moja de srema me na basa ma ye dai aye foforo ene de me fa aboa moja me de me ba de moja ko pem se wura esu ye de e ba eti na eye de e be ba no susuma sa o kai Colossians chapter 2 a and now churches are saying say de e be ba no de susuma eti e ko ba se yes we pass as no na so Paul ni pa say do me no so Paul asma for a self for day do me no man anti no last and Judas so say day every eti na yamba say sa bo ba ko day epuma mu na ya tama Yesu koro na wa free mu ti Yesu ko bu soro ansa na wa be ye ho adwuma e wo mo say sa o kan chapter 1 verse 23 a self for the trance e ga say Psalms ga say so di pa what is ano ya mbo obinya day e ma be pa di bre sa na Psalms kan ye na ti ase wo mu say nipa adwunu ye day ye ne sanso mo kan say na hon kokon ye day enya ma wo so kokon nya ma wo so nti o wa do mo pe e ye barotina bra o Peter o ba asafo no ya mfa barotina ye day eyi wo eti Peter ba ye no be frɛ wo mu a wodi sa owura Matthias be day e be ka ho no na Awurade tituma nya day enya yie efi se bi e pon free mu a eye Awurade na no so obo bi ye day e poma mu ade no it should be 12 enya day 13 na enti Yesu no metena ye no akọ ebere so se ye fa Paul no Yesu na de ko frɛ Paul emrado no na esuafo na nte ye no no metena ye a wo kyerɛkyerɛ wo no sa brado do no a ana osale Paul so ye dey etena enti Paul ka se me ni Yesu chia me do fona no mo janya dey to odina na se nya me nyansa mu no mi ba o so de be hyem ama na be ka ho ma mo ye 12 no aye dey aye Paul enya hwan Matthias because esuafo mu yie enya first already Peter and also dey oye said ye owura ti say Jacob na ma ba ko efri mu ti say dan free mu no o de ko fa Manase be shegu no say Yesu be pa odum yemu na ba ko free mu e say Yesu nimdie mu no o say Yesu no na e dey e pa o be she because Yesu onye dey o nwui what ti ase na ko wo dia e na kese ka we dey pa be she no ti ase na o ti ni nsa na ho e ko fa bi nya dey e be she e da me nya 12 o mo de be ye duma adentia 12 na o say e dey yasma wo etenye ni pa bibia keke na Yesu wo so osma wo no me 72 ya to say de enti na budi machi na wo ye te say justify inclusion no o to na ni mu sisa e dey e ko ana obi sam say na mo so ko bia na Peter sa kwan chele yenko Yesu so wona we dey wo na kwanse itina wo say e dey ya tina wo na asenti Yesu pa dumi mu a no o be dey o be sma wo o mo na ye Yesu apostleship e ma wo mo ana ye nyina na o mo na ye di kan de o mo ye dey e sha ase de ntia se ye nwan chapter 5 for echiche mu say apostleship aye asiafo nko amati aye dituma nye dey eye to dey frɛ na fa wa adwen se dey dey ebra ana wa se bi se dey dey ebra so o ka say o kenkan sa dey wo yi a de ntia o say ye suma dumienu a e se abroso eno no chama mo ko hia wa abanso ho awo afu no mo broso no 120 beso do do say dey asma ho dumienu o mo na so be dey asem dey eku wiase na edu wiase e wo de asem ne beye so mo wie na mo kwa e so mo so do mo chire den eja se na beye mo ka se asem ne fi Jerusalem Judea e ko pem asase anu no hwa no e beye den e beye adwuma Peter mogu na ka beye asem na den edu ha enya asmafo bi na se asem du ha enya missionary sibi na de asem du ha na mo so mo ye den o mo ye den e ti santia se na o se den kenya se ejina bibi so du mi ne na twa se den yesuma because na yesusuma na se du ma ne kwa du mi ne chi no o so mo so paw don bi ma mo so ye den e so to aso na bi so ye den e be ka ho no mo so ye den e to aso se ko pem se du ye so se de du ye so ye to aso ye wu a o mo ma ba chi so nya me be sa paw bi na mo so ye den a to aso so nya so ye den asmafo ne ka sa asmafo a enya de mu ya me nwo brofo a wetin da cha asmafo mu a e be ma Peter mo aye sonko afri ye ho ye tie ma me ka sa ne se ya wo brofo bebrebe bi wo ho our times the people who use Bible more. Yes, until you use it. It's a repentance. And yes, one can't come repentance. Because they change your mind. And and maybe they say audience. I say, okay, look at the congregation. Congregation, you know. Now, yea. And yet, yes, until Kebede, you look at audience. And maybe they say, such a Maka. oh asa no ma nyina na yesu ntina yede yeka enye yesu akya pass abrofo no yede e ma ye ho se na pese be kire no eti apostleship no se yesu na kya pa ma na de akabe yi but esuafo no yetimi empower di be yede e ma mo nko ama na ye abra mo ye kana person te se ye na huhu aba mo so na ma mo transform ye na se yesu sa huhu ba enso yesu be dey ye be da na ko business bi
radio na meti ase a edimi te say evangelist
enya yesu akya nya sa
evangelist
yeah
okay
bibi sa na pese be kire eti sa di ba mienu an du mienu an wo say yesuma won eye by for say du mienu pe na wo say dey yesuma won obi ankan wo abeka obi o be ye gbare dey wo afo but di pa du mienu pe na ye dey yesuma won omo de from asomafo a yesu ye dey esuma wo eti se wo soma mo wi a ewi wi a say ye dey eduru ye so adenti na wo say yesuma du mienu na adenti na ko bo wi ase na wo de bo so me dey ma ko say du mienu mai echese ba boso ba ko du ni kire wiase kwa na besi kire wiase eniti mesoma mo ko wiase nti wo se me di figure of wiase dey esoma mo sa asoma me dey esoma mo no se mo kwa wo di gina mo se me ye dey wo ti se wiase wo di asem ye dey wura wiase de nti wo se esoma du mienu ai di ka soma ye di ka paw 12 dey Israelites du mienu no na wo se nsususo eba awo honamu se de hu ye se asomafo du mienu so na ye dey yes mo se mo ye dey mo nko wiase eno wiase ni kire se wo di baby a wo asase so aya wo no awo asase we so na e dey afole wo month biamu January up to then December e dey wo di baby a wo asase so ofole wo hu e kire se nyame be ma di wo di baby o te sa e ti dey suma o hu di paso ye dey o no so wo ka so ko sua Jacob ane ne manu wani wi o kire obi suban ne tibia bi obi ayi dey ewom na urade se de o mutie bia no obetuma jew se ne obo ne tie bia ane ti na o se ayi dey yesuma du mienu kire se de o tie bia urade ji wa ayi dey eyi wodi be bia o ba sa so se de o tie bia yesu be ma dey aje we ye example a yesu di ye ya wodi yesu se de ma du mienu ti du mienu de kire no de tie wo se osoro henie get ready eye du mienu kire se obi ai wo wasa so aya wo sa boso ni bia no se ye jiwa o gate e na so ye dey o fa o be dey o be wure e muda mo ti o de maye na yesu nya du mienu fie du mienu na o ye dey o kwa so fie che se me smile dey ma be ka biase no ho no ko yi no ho e dey e kire o so nya say 12 years wow ye so ye dey wa be ka biase o yi no ho di we no ye tene ka bio o pe so o nya fie biase o de be dey o be se du mase Bible no church mu no de ntia wo ye dumienu na se kire no se obia o be pese o be je awrade ni yesu gina ye dey no ma bia mu nipa awrade so ye dey e be ji e wo mo se bia ntia awrade nka de na so wo susu be dey e be ji so ka Romans chapter 2 verse 12 o church mu so bia o be tu yesu no be tu no mra wo no bra bosuo wo guilty conscience do mo sa de we ni obi dia obi dia nti sa me dey ade na unya ya no sa se wanti yesu wa se yesu be hwe wo na hunni mu no ya dey wo de ajaje no wow to de ba wo tutu se ba ko heaven no bia ba ko na yesu ya dey aje no wo ho enti no se mu atai mu ya dey mu afo na mo na mu nhye nkran da eti e ma so asomafo so ade ti no mo ye asomafo so wo kan Matthew chapter 10 verse 1 Bible tell me so what I can come out we say na Jesus frɛ asuafo no ba ye no ana o ma wo mo ahomo ne so tumi ana o ma wo mo tumi sɛ o mo so nye dai o mo ba sɛ me nye dai enko eto fresh du mienu na o ba ye sa ta na mo ti Yesu na se ye dai sua de na kakra mo ti ye o ka so mo fa nko no ana wo se du mienu yi na Awurade ye dai esma wo so ka be se tu na o kyerɛ enti tema o ti obi na se sɛ usua de wo ye dai wo ye suafo se ba ka se ya ka to se fa se le dey e kwa bontia na obe dey o be dey osmafo wow e ti bia na o se ka se apostleship na wo yi no ho chi bebrebe e du mi no pe na o se Awurade dey esmafo e bi mbroso ti du mi na o se me dey o mo ko e ti du mi na Awurade sma wo no kre na so Yesu ka se bi kire o mo John chapter 20 verse 21 wo se study eja no esma me no me so me ye dey so so da so de bejaye no be to sam kusu enu gu etiri mu a se de ore Yesu so so mo so ye dey yes my e ja sam kro ya just said, "You're coming in a customer, customer from America, and do her." And if you may yet, they be so baby a day. Atwas, they be so a day. Atwas, they are some day. Alcohol, and just pop for ye, a media, or be here to say yes for Mossem. Must want me to some day, media question, up at the penny day. I see every second day, just married. Now, Peter Evan was to say, dear, maybe a day, me didn't want dance here. And yeah, but you didn't want dance here now. The sister didn't want dance here yesterday. You just muffle. Yeah, you said this was a day. Echo, when did you dance here? So, okay, John chapter 17, verses 8, side or kind. What is that they gonna ask my man, Miss Mayday? Miss Mason. And it's almost a 2 year. I know Castle was man across in your home. Or mom's a bad day. So, what's away and the home on the day? Woman, I mean, yesterday. I said, be a day. Won't prepare for be a bit my day. After the Missa question, and I'm some more than I day. Abba, one of the Musa question, what bit my friend with my friend, what bit my type with a vessel every day? That's wrong. And you're afraid that you send you. Now, small phone one here, do me a new, and I won't quite a almost a good passo, and then I'm going to put preaching. We understand I was memorable. And church, one going yet, he wants that Philip, and what curse you for a say. You see your friend say,
Bless Bugri.
Aha, bless Bugri. Now, our church are debut,
a preacher man.
Or a preacher man. You are saying the other. So, Oka asked chapter 8, Philip, or Kosaya, dear, no way on my dear, Peter move free, Jerusalem. A bad day, and almost a good, almost did you saw Hong Kong about some, or Clebo said, not Philip day, or yet day, apostles, over such. So, when apostle, they said the church of Christ for church and the church, and then the press of the Ekan. I didn't tell you, said, what say, as my phone quite to me, my own to me healing. And anybody know healing so. So, I'll call John chapter 1, verses 43, also what Clebo said. Now, yes, to move Philip, or can Philip be a day, Dimachi. So, chapter 10, Matthew chapter 10, verses 2 and 3 also. All of us are no sound of Philip today. Eddie, and then I said Philip will come as my phone. Help us out, I can't was no was in the demo. There's a loophole so day. That's why some about debater and that's a cross examiner. Who mobile chisel say, it's a more you must have question the same with you. I had a mobile message. They take us out. Or be a bit my friend. 0558-344-014 straight call. And our friend was up on SOA about 0546-198822. Our friend, and all your comments so I'm so a bad day. You make it canary. That's too much. As in the assembly, it just a go from the other day. Anyway, it's about Porker said, Mamma been my year. As my for, as a bacafo, after cheerful, a D4. Let I say, one more no more yet than I know. A radical person may be a so bad day. When the power will be said, you must smart for. Wo fa asem ko achima wo fa asem ko ha wo tere krom ha ya adwuma no hede ahaya obi adwuma nko eti se ready for obi a what the bet baby a wonye dey wo ko ni we eti se be no na kasa be na brofo be na obi tuna church sansem we mu a se bi obi tuma chire madi nkunim se asuafo nko a asmafo nko awode ade ma wo e se o me asu ahode ni bi se be ne mu a asuafo na mo na ka busi masedi bisa
Radio, na Church of Christ for one church mu no omo pese ti ase se osomafo ye obi a na ode ne sagu obi so e ma nitimi nya won konkron enti efa Philip de no de enti omo se wono onka asomafo dumienu ne se wa fa ne se nwu obi so ama na nya won konkron efi se okoka asem no Samaria no ema Peter ene John ene esmo omo ba ho enti mpa ho sa ne de a na kire se ono Philip no wadima fa ne se nwu obi so ama na nya won konkron de na onka to ofo no
ah so hono wati so ma ho kokro na dia ko be che ne system amada ti no ma bi ase no hu botaye to bi e de ma won se hon kronkron bra won so no e ba won so na woda unya double portion na obutimi ye eno obi se woda se gu obi se da hon kronkron ba won so no ewrade Yesu de ba ne ba bienu awo asmafo mu ma me che wade bi so beti ase a osabaka dia na wodi kan awo Jerusalem na ye Peter ana mamamu efo sampaka ni so ye dai eye Paul obubi ye no ko na mutipe perform sa de ne obabu ma na obi anya dai enka ho Philip na tumi woro so no tumi hiri no tumi bibia na so tumi ye de ma wo mo se o tumi saka obi ma ho kronkron ye dai e ba ne ta two leaders we pe we dai wo ma o amama mu sampaka ni ane Jerusalem ye dai o kalifo a we Peter e ti nyamu nyina na tumi ye hwe wo se astu mo kronkron ba mo nyina so na so nipa dudu a na mo nyina nipa ba ko pa o ye Paul Peter ane ti bika say nipa 3000 ye dai asa kira wadwe ade bia na John ade Peter na ma sorry fio John say Solomon so da ho What about ourselves? Say, Mexicano. I Peter, I don't know. As a Peter, the car says, Sicari get a day. Mini, one can say you knew, was it Mini? Yes, was a game where they. Sorry.
Not just a Peter John Namno, a Peter Moment,
a commanding master. Also, I checked the dorsal. A self on the dorsal, 2 minute bounds, so that's as soon as I check the beer 2 minutes a day, and the marrow. And no one a day, a quite to be crop.
So, basic numbers not to bonus is mark no more and
I 0558 344 014. I straight call. And I was supposed to say 0546 198822. Move screen is crap, and that's what Mr. Madame. No, can't ask me to say. And some pinos can be catching by saying, "Come on to me, Swat." Papa won't cry day. I bet you, yourself on home compression. The bed, you did the Bible question because yes, was it. No, yes, you're home. It's a 1 hour or no, and it's also no home in the criminal. Now, do home compression on Quano. Almost the from say a day. Oh, we are not comba. Now, what our domain? I'm a one from. My one from Mamma and free your Hunam Pim. The best free day, Yapo day. A pim, that will be of this side. We are Hunam. No one church the Hunam. Then, dear, and ma, much of 5, 6, and 7, the pump picture, there's only a canna. Et the canna, no sassam, so on a divide. It will be a take on them already at my day. And ye, I don't want to walk home. I want to be just out of Massy. A better people who was small, but that's all my own money be. Just all your woman, that's how I want to obey all day. What money? If I go with Massy.
Right away, I'm saying, yeah, bra, Cosmos or Dami, or Busa say, Empire Bo. A boy, a boy, pana, and I say, boyana. If it's a Ghana, you're born pay baby. Now, so, Mr. Still, our sofa, the sofa. Mr. Where they come to pick and home, so pursue didn't you? And by Bono, or pursue whom is a boyana.
I mean, where they come. Okay. No,
castle. No, be free.
How would to be proud? Your father, with the time to be. I say, and by body, the question the can was a mere car. Now, so the procedure from Pibono, I don't know him. I saw for my baby cake. Who flew bomb pay were ready did a Mosaka. Who ye we did Munya. Near the Musica, no more Brennan with Tim Penton Quack, Champagne Mobile for
Obiaba money so.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Because you're better to you. The battery.
Now the is not a posting like
The battery.
your program area. If I took a station to act about the five.
The battery say.
But the answer is act just the five.
Act 6-5.
And the thing is the woman. Then they chose prison. A man full of faith and of the Holy Spirit, and Philip, and Proclus, and Nicanor. This is what the Indianapolis. Philip, of course, Abeliano. For one of the 7 men, as a police being among Indiana. Because of Acts chapter 8, verse 1, Erica tells now, Saul was consenting to the death, and at that time there was a great persecution against them. That was at Jerusalem, and they were all dead throughout the regions of Judah and Samaria, except the apostles. It is as the teaching iron, and Apollo. And almost to the day of the Katai, for the gospel, apostles and a call. If you finish the apostles, it is possible that, or for Samaria, or now known as apostles and kind of Jerusalem. A citizen, whatever, you know, with the 7, or none of course, Samaria would be there. But still the apostles, not on the apostles and kind of Jerusalem.
What was some question? Oh, but she was saying, and I'm just a person saying, I was out to another cross examine, what do you kind of sign out for only? What can I was with him? Mammy, show what they be. Mammy, show what they be. Can I only say, yes, you see, for not Philip Caho. ani awo Philip bi a ye yi ba so fo mo matena omo na mu se omo ntimi nya pono no so omo ntimi ntena abopono so ensom abera wo se asem ye dey e kwa abonten eti wona no so bo dey asem kwa abonten na wo se ye asomafo na so bo dey asem kwa abonten na ye ma ba so fo bi tena omo na mu sa di ba ne yi onipa bi na wo se friend Philip no ye dey na o ka ho to bo na wo tifie e na mo hwe na hu se Church of Christ for chese I ask my phone when they did to me, my one of the healing, it's in the Bibia. It is a Philip or to me here. Then is our car as my day. Now, to me, an idea is a good password. Then my old Babuton, so I can't from Matthew to Revelation. I Peter, and the pond one day. It's me as idea. Because now I checked the door, so Obia on it yet. That the demand only a second for me to pay anything I may have friend. Peter, a free, Jerusalem day, a bar. Philip no, that's when you're there. Now you have said also a day. It is like I said, or no, one yet, as Shania, what he just said. Yeah, who said, John chapter 1, verse 43, or Chile Musa, I won't chain of us or Chile Copasa, said by a day, a favor. And yes, said the Bible headache, because to me, not what a church, and a Gentile beer of a car on headache, a chair, and I will leave yes to. I'm not to me, yes, I did. It's a man for Philip no comment powerful. What the money there? One episode, the man, Madama. My, I only say based on I did not acquire or 100 2 million wedding or one or 2 million I did. And it's in a way, Philip, I know Jerusalem.
So, chapter 8, or then now, when demons start through the laying on of the two hands. The Holy Spirit was teaching. He offered them money. Or through the laying on of the apostles' hands, the Holy Spirit was giving. And after the Apostle Miriam, not Otimika arrest, right? Not Otimika arrest because in the book of chapter 6, that servant said the night you are moment. Apostle said you are concerned, you are moto. Acts chapter 6, verse 6. And they said the apostles. Now, when they had prayed, they laid hands on them. It's after the flower. Servants now, the name of one thousand when you are but one day they said, if we need to pass the truth to others, in the apostles, and I read the Omoye.
There be what mean an extra, Papa mentioned what they be. Sa proclaim na yi o mo ba so fo ye yi Philip ka so o mo ntena fie na mo hwe fie na Peter monye dai en kwa bonten e no sa ko Samaria fo mu
only Acts chapter 8 verse 1 bra I or tan ba e no e ka se ata po mana e ke se as apostles make the common challenge only Acts chapter 8 verse 1 apostles no go challenge.
Won't you mean Cassandra or more Jerusalem? Yashada, you crophobia, as I say, you're sorry free about Ponso. Near the Asampania, Echo, and you crophobia or more church, my day. Some crophobia, you will not play. I come over Penny or Jerusalem, Samaria for more. I am all one of the Casamania, there's a day. Echo, you may better say for some for as a business of Mumusa. Yes, I say we better in the side because you also have a telephone, nay, young carbon team, and then I'll copy a bonting. Let us say, whoop, Sam Philip, you're not Carbon. I have Philip also Carbon today. A boy. Sake Casamia, the second to some Carbon today, because they see he was so phobia made or Mary. Sam Philip, or person just one away. One will come out for me, or move if you may have come. Let them look up Samaria. And just say, yeah. And to throw her on Sunday, Emra.
I don't know if I who say, Philip, I said, we are okay. Let me say, you Philip is Acts chapter 21. Now you say Philip the evangelist. Na the mama A9. Na no more prophesies.
Yeah.
Sa Philip no or you the same as Philip no di Yesu echiana.
There be yes, Sa Philip na di Yesu echia. And as Sa Philip na come dia, and I want na sebi obeka a smartphone you my phone. E ho ya can ba so phone. Na mo 2 minutes, no 1 2 minutes crowd mo ye. A smartphone and Cassa 12 no, I never press to me no yes argument. Because of one year from some day. Omonko, we are singing now. What's up where I Philip here, Obai, we are can't show Sabi. say you betie check the price for church and the so dia o kasa smartphone na meso mo free Jerusalem mo ko dia na mo ko dey asase no ha e to mo na so mo dey asem ye dey e ko say ye chi jamo aba mo dey che me ye dey yakọ enti say the fight ye chi jawo ye na so ko pie Samaria o ko pede ho ye se fetiri o ko pede ho
asase kwa ye fokro mo wa nko bia hene we wi agima ye ne nko
ya enti what se ma ye ne nko na o ko pie Samaria o ko pede ho e ya smartphone and the call na mo tumi ya na mo wo a ti bi de say go bi so no sa o kan Bible a aye Peter a de timi ye ana Paul so na ye dey na timi ye o ma maka nyina no mo ho ma chede ahodo a na so timi ye dey edidi dwuma na ka konkron ba ho so a de ti na Peter nko de timi sorry o kasa di 3000 e sa che ya no mo maka no we o mo so nyime de du ha mo so be dey o be kokon de e ba mu a e bet ma ba mu be cha chede e pe na ye dey na da ma so kai ai 1 Corinthians chapter 12 a wo se ko ho na mo bi a chede se o no ai e
Rajo na ye bra no say bisa asem bi say asomafo dumienu no omko na netimi de omosa egu obi so amanya wonkonkon be say mu say asomafo no mu nyina na netimi ye sa de na ana
da bi o enyo mu nya wo sa wo he Bible na obi anya bi eka Peter ane de Paul ko na ba ko so ya mama mu sampakani leader ada ba ko so ya Jerusalem so sampakani so ye de leader ani tina ekobasa o hwe ayi no so say asami se bi wo so a na nya no
order so free
what are so free okay what a fam
Hello.
Mira meet you
Look at you. Ever make it enough of all telling me. Five like an act that is verse 1. Not the apostle, that was Jerusalem. And I don't know that it's called Samaria in Canada. It's your call Samaria. It's really now. Which is who actor verse 5. Now, this year will be every apostles every can see the fruit in them. No Acts chapter 6. But what I say?
me to say David who timi ka say no nya apostle ana asem na wo kan enye na wo Jerusalem nya ade achi ye na sa asem isi ye eya story na ka cho do ko hwe botaya e dey e kura story no nipa na wo ka so ko pie Samaria no die ti ne yiri ka ba so fon so mu hwe fi santi ase na me pese wo be kene tintan ya e se be ha profo bi wo so pese mo frɛ enye ne opa brayan trase enye ne de Bible ne e dey ne e so wo history na e dey no de wrem ti bi se wo na ma when you pass on me can be said the word you chain now to make sure they woman if you say nipa you say be therapy and na go pie Samaria what is small I ask my for the small someone quite e ti body you say you be call until na mo hwe e na we na go pie e ti ntia see also woman asamenya de ya tro na also hwe botae no a e kura sem na what me na dey a chire enya sa wo wadwene mu a wo chire no e be chia Bible no so so kama Yesu asem dey e ye be kure na so be kama Yesu a contradict no
Edina brother Jonah me pese mi nua no eso answer me say Philip no Acts 21 Philip the evangelist or the same as Philip no di Yesu achi
ana
say so ka che say suafo no ye pamo mu no mu nyina akọ e di na nye sa Philip na on che me Philip no omu mienu Philip the evangelist na ne mama 4 no na omu prophesy ana say Philip ono na ne sa aka no ase mo Acts chapter 8 and Acts 6 na
almost say nti won say ayen chechire mu one hwe ye obese ko wa fa dia sa na obechire no na so se the Bible chire no ekura botaye se na be obeka obeti ase bisa se bi si ye na onye dey na oni ho na mo wonu botaye dia wo hu dia se me dey etie oh the ba just say number no 0558344014 straight line and I pay so WhatsApp so 0546198822 and so from WhatsApp ebeba and I watch so a ye beken kai ha na asem bi se bia ho na yetime ya no ha no ati me nte cha price for mu ma yen hwe na ti sai bi wa ye de ye na sai dia wodu wa bi na si se Bible no kan no na be kire wa se Bible bi no wotu bi sa asem amana yi wa no da ye da bu a kire mu no enna sebi wo kire mu se asem we ne butai no enie sei na asem ye de ati se da be ya bit mama Yesu aye standard aye de amaye se nya sa ade a ene na wo kire mu a wo be kire mu se de wa nkasa we de open
Rajo mi say ye nua bi ni di na me se me kakra na ono so busa question bi fa was disciple ne apostle and so see a bend that.
And so I always say, so what you be now see smear dear? Oh, yeah. Disciple, who smear dear for your day, never. Anna, apostle such as said, what's you know, Sassan, the Kokavich will be. What they call? I dear friends, so your day. We are smart for apostle. A man, a woman. And now missionary be the assembly day. Every Kobe so a day. I could provision to we are smart for. And all the assembly day. Airport, okay, the assembly was up, yes, okay, a day. Over to any say, am I ye? But already at that one back in Cambio, but in Chasino, in the Babu no more. Until I get to some home Concona day. I bet you. Graphically, they watch Okaya, then just I know. But Babu and Tessa. It didn't be to become Babu to me a day. And teach him said open. Oh, Tibabu was a kid out that you can't get your said, you can win yes, keep your preacher man, because also Kaya, cause a day, call it yes. It is now side, so I be your side, dear, what's he? So the Bible be teaching. Oh, my process, I mean, no more the AK. So what now, baby, do it like a candy open. Now they betray him, now what you saw make a candy open. Now cross examine, and then who's a small candy day in your place because I could be myself.
Okay, yes, we shall do me no boss or Montreal, Jerusalem, based on Concron Baba so. And won't come back no when young, then there's some night, apple. If it's someone that's having home about some of the edge, man in this one, yes, your dear, man, senior one time.
Ah, and so strength me, Mantum. The intent to strength me, Mantum will say, oh, when the years who call the master, see, so Montreal, Jerusalem. Now on Concomer Day, about or Sunday Friday, Abba. No, about all some full shoe beams, a canino, or Bobby Swan, no side, every soon. What do you want to better now? On one day, we be a Macassin, be a Bacano, be a Kaya Montias a Bede, or Betchim, a Brevias and be a Troy, and only Montias, one day, a 7 days for all the Betcher said, but it was assassinated. Indeed, so pass out to be as a family one a bad day, a Betcher, never just already took a set. He didn't also in the day. To me, no, and he knew. And it was a casa to me, what that should be for you to say. What a bit Mamma Casabra won't have so. This was so friend of Pinata, one made them back home. Now don't know many number come in. But the Saw way, and the dear Cotina, yes, was assembled. There's only whom we are made to put your person through. What a Chidia to be dead with this side, and the only woman. There's a golden woman, the Nickel Cobinica Savacoma, who soon or better kind of day, at Chindino. About so I say yes, is what much say yes was simple. The battle.
And in a zombie, sorry, no, some of the yes, Christian. That's our home, we are country for his own castle in Nibo Bima. Now on the summit. It's all my yes, right, powerful. Yes, I remember Santa Kede. And yet, you're so fast, because yes, was not a kind of matter 5, 6, and 7. No, yes, I was will be any so. You put here a smartphone church. And he was also a smartphone church, and any dear what hey. Papa be the catcher and said, any go to formula. Roman formula. A piece of wedding, and the answer. Now, I said, yeah. Parker said, Timothy, we have the day. No, but besides, I went to a church when you saw. I said, but I can go down where we are. And Jacob, young churches are, when they are church, and you're true, dear, BBC, baby, or Troy, make a no myself. No, media, Matthew 5, 6, and 7. When you're Matthew 5, 6, and 7, your dear, you know, and you're true by it. Miss Media Media, Miss Media Media.
I thought the video is a number, but what's your number? The video
0558 344 014 Anna 0546 198822 and also your WhatsApp. When you're the video, Masabo Bill, and the same screen and you so madam.
Message anymore.
I will message in the mountain. Come with my
Well, you Stephen Adu. Also a person who said, and then no, that's all. Apostles and I say, Asmafuana.
I also asma for ye be biao. Asma for ye be bia what's ye. Now so required it. Or can be a children. I bet I would say, ah, Usiano. And when you're just a day, me a Suani. Some you who said it much. That's Mahunasa. Some who said there was a day. No possible crew make me so feet. And what's your idea? What could be? Timothy, what's it? Paul and Nancy. Was it the Otti Freeman channel? And now say a day. Come church. It is all quiet. Just one, no.
What that is money?
What that is money? First, I don't Nancy the other day. What is Suani? Let's say, Master who know what they acquire one day. Why, yes, smartphone. It is smartphone, man. Very simple. What do you mean, Cassa or being Kwana? Yesterday, do me the pedal power home. I know small. No, behind your day. I don't come home. One of them said to me, no smile. Talk at me and said, Said the youngest mamma, Miss Mary, Miss Mamma. And it's a little bit 2 years. Said the youngest smile, yes, a smile, also by a day. I must smile. You not see a young beco. I just say, yes, smartphone. Yeah.
Of an embassy was as no, we saw a small for. Now this one was on him. school them asɔre them anahefa
aha on say Bible no yen share with school so because actually o person wo wia o person wo dada because school what the chrono nyina e dey e chase Ghana e chase bu ye nyina ni school e just so bi so kwatra school wa bra Bible ye throw free Israel but in chase free Israel so person ye dey wo wia ye sika enti wo ya asɔre bia o wia na o accumulate sika ne londas sika no ye dey o gente bu jama ka pia so so djuma no ye dey o mu jai na church of Christ for dey e ya kwache bibia so no o hye na ye djuma but o be say di ye ni wo sika ye dey ato ne ne o kan we do at because o bona no bia na dey e ya bigger to for dey so boy tan ya ye dey na tie be dey e be gum gale nya say mo amko school echi mo nya hwe ni da say tie for be tie no me pe de kran ko ade a o mo mo ntra mo e fatale yeso nya dey e na da mo na mo Belgium ne mo ase be mo wo Canada ne Canada for me srebo e na bodi gu Africa for preacher man for mo fa mo so mo sro won na the friend ko mo nya ko ye dey e ko gu am na ya te mo nkyerɛ but say e force e nya do pre some person mu say nya do kra e ma ne ntra afidie so no on kasa keke e sa na so de keep substance say mo nyima de fi papa ne so ma mo ko tie no oboa ahoma wo da te kyerɛ wo nan na Bible so be ntimi ko mo de fo fie no ko fo na sare ye dey e fa this so de kyerɛ wo de fo na ansa what you okay Matthew chapter 12 verse 29 obo sa asemi what you say mo kan tell say what the papa mo de papa ne ntra say de wo sika say ye wo de so ye tofo because wo akukuduro wo de kasa wo kasa so wo ye dey wo nsuro eti ba ne say wo bebe high enya mo ne kere bebe high mo aye de say ye kan Yesu mo ase aye de say ye kan Matthew 5 6 and 7 and 7 million we na so ya aye ni je because obi ampe ye de say ye dey ye pe wo de branie process amel asem na kan se to kro ye dey e de na we so with me ya no a wo de musa say asma for church re kwa e de dey chire me chire o so ka say Koronto episode ye chire bibi de si wo ana bit maka ko se bibi si wa na no nya sa asem nya sa na si wo Ghana eti ka che Koronto for ma se mu nye ko mu a se bi bia de no mu ye tire ka se mu nye ko mu na Ghana for nye bia obi na ka so nye ko mu na radio se bit me se bia no kwan na se Yesu mu Kristo no mu no oba ni oba ma so nye de echeche wo na enye papa na Bible nye no de che no wase 2 + 2 ye tro no buku na so form 1 no de ko she we na chese hu no so de wa che o de bi busa
de ma me busa se e kwa be ne fa so be ye your smartphone me de yam fato ho a ye ko ye nuanum kramofo mu a so bi tra malam na se a no chereche ne karatu a na so qualify no so ko cherechere
sa
but ye ya tra Sabbath school ne Sunday school mo asua de a ye de ntimi afa anya ya tra be 50 years ya afa anya ba obi ko school be 5 years 4 years ya ba ya so no preacher man now ya so
na nye sisi enye no krono no
obaji pe
de akwa kire no school no enye no church ma so ba eti se wo ase ka so ye preacher man na so ade dinase ko school krono no me mo ko boka ho ye so ko tifra so man ho ti so so ko so onye sika bia o so bra ho plan no to kwa na ka ke se ya so ba no na o ko ni di o ho mo mo o ba ye dai o ba ye mo mo je tight mo so mo bo tight na mo di ko di mo bo mo ma ba ye dai e ba ye mo na teacher price ko kwa de o mu chi mo den sika di ma hiafo na mo mu ji
no ma che
ka ko je tight pre ko wo se fa tu di ma hiafo mo ma me ma san ba ye dai o isa to so ka 2 Corinthians chapter 9 and so saka to bi so ye dai ye wi ase na wo se hiafo ntia na mo na badi na mo di se mo na mo ye senti ye si senti no mo ye hiafo na ye fa ba ye dai e ba ma wo na kuna fo we mu ye si bi ma wo na kuna ni bi asabi wo we mo ya ababa wo de ai na wo pese mo ware to mo de mo nya dai mo me hwehwe won esa Paul mo pedi ama wo mo ai dai ehia won na mo akase no ma je ni mi wa wo sai dai eya adwuma mo de wo ye dai
e ka me je senti obi akọ school wi
wo sai no pese mo kire I want to go on with the person. And it's a little price 42. They are very cruel. So I don't want to because I'm not saying you're tight. I didn't say you cannot. Was I yet? Bible says, send your master day. Now, was I yet made the other things I did a brew sika. You can't have that. Yeah, table 20. No, what they can cry a year. Yeah, Mokoton for no more Jessica. Go come see about them. We'll be about them on the picture. That's only body the other day. I don't picture. Now, I smoke candy. A cool. Me ramo just say se se wo ha musa
brojo Cosmos odami busa say e wo se e to abayi elders and pastors e wa sorry dem ana
da bi me paso ni so e wiase de kokromoti e to aba ayi ni pa huhumufo so a huhunkonko ne de kan no eno se die san pa kokromoti nya de e ko to ba na de barote da bi yem fa ni kan ni pa free asafo mu me ebrade na o se di pa de o hwe de e de e pie no o so na ko pon kwa de e twa kuma mu ene san sa so de o mo akasa de enti omo de point ezi ya meko ya point ma me tusu di pass mesi mo ma sama so ni agye so be ya so panyi ya yesu na koma ye tusu na nim na so na koma me ya nyede ye hu Peter Botiase omo de ballot na dey eye Matthias na Satan na on kokro ni wo so abra on kokro wo e ba wo so no kokro de kire ni ba ko omo nyede omo ni won na de na Christopher omo de abato ade ye wiasefo ana mo ye mo se democracy se mi anya democracy anya theocracy de urade aka ete potential be de hofuru nipa mu a ye me ya power se wo be ye dwumade be de e ma urade ye wo no se ncheche ka chama ye e fam wonum o se wo ye cheche fo na wo ye kanifo evangelist ka chama na fam wonum no wo ka ho what you say wo po bia do broadcast na o ye wo firi na kwa wo se de bia ko be apostle wo betimi da sana ye akọ chini ne ka se evangelist obi a oti kromu no pa Yesu ho intasem ka e evangelist evangelist ko ya na sa nim Yesu ho intasem o timi ko chima kokuru ahobọ so o de fe na apostle adentia bi so won wada sam de e ko achiri ane ti na o ka 5-4 ministry wada to tu de bia ho se asafo no ti no e no manum na wo chire ho ama ne important de di kan aya no ano e gina ho ma evangelist wada power de Yesu asem de aka so o ka wi a e pene aye teacher wada chire wade ye ne ade ye nyede e nyam temu sunsun ye ehwene na tiba wo sade we pampa wo we eyede ehwam eso teacher everyday ehwene eni na asafo nani difo eni obi onam ne ba bie na akofre na hye nkom bibi e fa asafo no ho na me be yi ho fo nyina kyerese ka ya ye koto emwa ye no aka asafo se da bi eni ade ka na be dey e be boa ye mo ma ye nka asem se ya mo ma ye ko ye fu e be distracted asem no mo ma ye ko ye hospital esa e be me e be tu esutu dia sa difo na wo mu djuma hu dia no enya dress ko ho asem na we dey mo ka asafo nko so nko a eni ewi ani abaso aso ne timi ti no ma bi free chirichira ani kura nya dey etimi hu nuro won smafo mo na dey asem ne dey ekwa chiri eni asmafo ewi ani aba adwene ai dey chiri no that is pastors omoduma no omo asan chira wo do mo to nkwan mu aye hu omo bio dey what ya ne dey just dey nkwan na we dey what omo ti aso no wonya hwe dey mo yeso mo regulatory system ni na adwe dey chiri mo dey timi control nai ene nsane bibia wo dey timi man san ai hia ekono omo timi ye adwuma bom wo kukuru wo timi alo aye dey aso so mo mo hie mu the blue source dey bi ene wo no so kira dey be kira dey wo asa wo di asemo ye dey eko mo regulatory to so ototo am tifo ye ama wo so adwuma adwene we ene ye ene pastors sa potential we ye hu na ye hu se ye kanifo a obi ma bo asore enya bato ye hu we mu wo sikenti ye se be ye aso kanyi na oti wo kumfa na oso
na ene pa we nyina o asafo no mu na Church of Christ for omo nyinto
omo sel
pa ko pemi no
o pe sika o mo ka no kre na be no nya sika na wo so bia ka no kre nya sika da do dey tro na sika na ye ka obi na hwe ade ye ne frefre ko ba ade ye nya aduane sika na to aduane na bi di ye wi na ye dey ye mai obi di sika bi free be bre se mo nya fa to aduane ni
David
na Peter Kwanche to say obi sponsor ye free abuchi ni ba hwan ade ye tie to de bi kwa data kwa na ho ye dey e chire debi ye bi ka che Ewurade se ye de ho beba for de ne ye adwuma yi ni sika de hwehwenti ye ka che se wo kro nya sika pa to de ma o manye dey eni ye be bro so no de dey wo de ma hiafo Ewurade se ni India sample for bia dey eka ani ye ka se go Pentecost go Roman ye ka se wa soro ye se for Matthew 5:6 and 7 so do Ewurade ko ade ne no asem no eno e dey ma honam ati se hu fo ko ade e for na mo practice na ho na ho hu metie asano asoro be dey e be transform me ma ko fa Ewurade asem ni Yesu nyina so nie fa pemne nie ukoti wei bebi o besi bia ya nyen ye de nkwa nye dey ene asem bi se bo amu busa na nchechire mu nye dey emra Church of Christ for the mama pidie so yese mu ntiri ye sa de woni bebu se ba na wo hwere se ye kan na so nti ase na oba 1-on-1 so pidi that is cross examine o kan e busa akwese no wi ya no se ma se ma sha se de e sua ye ne pebi so to no ye de o busa akwese so no ye de mu wi ya no na se kwese no ejimi sheki mu jidie mo mra ne busa mo no mo kwa me kwaso me
Orajo nana boache safie
ya
miso o busa se yetimi yusu criteria bi anase asensushe bi eyi evangelist anase bible teacher na
there be any criteria bia na me ka asem bi criteria yetimi di yi obi a we evangelist chese esu na efiri mu ba emi ehu se su we wo ye teacher ni e jo bi na be ka kire wo me tie yi ba be prese me teacher ni me kire ni ma mu ye dey e da ho that's why me hu se me ye dey me teacher na obi be ka Yesu wo intercept na sebi what ba waka yes why that's much sense the yes to tear no you want say why dey we evangelist it is our criteria we dey hwe hu say we dey pastorcy because the Bible say bia na ba ana we dey you be the hu bia kro it dey free mu ba no ana me hu ni ba ko we dey wo ye so won in the same can wo ka say won in dey but say papa yi ha o in dey pa so be the nyansa ka say you say ko we nyansa fo na je say wo was our potential and not let me power say be bibia dey e ma ye it is about say group bi shia na say petit transfer on say ya ye mu no because na me pa kwa me dey enye adentia dey free book adentia
ye di ka hu su ne ban we ni pa no
ho su ne ban na on say dey power say be bibi ya ko ye di keke na be fro say wo siketi be ya titredi na ye ko fo bia na ko fa kan ma say dey wo ku mo wi ebuda sana sabdati enti ye di criteria afufuru bi ya fa so e dey power bi I just say Sadia we and also say I already safwa. Never whom did more cotre. What a day actually a day, a mamma. Now Chedia will be in a day, a true. No day. What be in the now so Chedia, what the who to me so day. I can't. What can I day? So I didn't tell 2 minutes a day. I can't see a casa or so yes as to me a day. I'm a my man in a day, Monsieur. Let's say the 2 minutes a day. I did a picture because I said, quality was a command to. I didn't see a team when the person said, you bet you go your baby, I will find a day. Who find a 2 minutes here. How old would you say I can be a preacher, massa? Mira, Mr. Marcel.
Brother Joe, I can't hear what's a phenomenon. I can't hear what's a phenomenon. It makes me about saying, ne, you say, oh, ne. Winner,
6 minutes. I do 10 minutes and
you bet me you said, ne, only the assassinum. Oh, I'll be church reform. But we do have yes, US in Chase said they are smelling in the
there be as the 4 tires are enough. It's not biblical, it's not applicable. You need to Moses, any Israel for him. Compare say message, Bressu, Yan, San Casson copy person who was all left the other day. Ama Joshua. And to what was your opinion? What was your opinion? 7 minutes to Nassau. Whatever you said, you come out of Canada. This will answer every Friday. That's your name. I do not let the idea amount. I watch it, yes, sir. I got somebody who I'm naming just also many what's yes, already be also many sir. Near Chaco. Aha, it's a babu, yes, I did it. That's yet now the same time. Why they be paying Emma Hu? I said, you. Why does some of my friends and service? That's who you cry. If you be rational, let's man lead to Jesus. Yes, idea. The way, yes, one children, and I want a children, and I'm not the same. Now, when crash today, I said, you. You was a kind of crash. And you won't put your back country. You bet church and some akuma side, I bet and married with thee, or assume Crystal Moody, or bow in the bemo. That's what you will be, and your mark said, Bema, or I might be my day. Eh, they can't mind your day. I say, bet church. You are bet yes, you are sending a boy, you are supposed, maybe away out to your Christian any day. And you send me your henny, send me a opinion, or I will show me away. You bet said in tea, obey Christian any day. And you don't mean some random, just out of back on a day. Whatever. It is who I bet it in more day. What you say? Sempre more. What from that? So you saw the knee, so you police me, so you order me, so you be a magistrate, we are a lawyer. No, you're a friend say, Judge, a rig, a show tea, who named your way. You bet church, we are Christian any day, and ye, we are sending your piano day. In your son, your church, and I said, obey, obey, it is so born who to get some of the the Bible say, what do you want? Some more slow, you know, in that's what you say. Then Kaye, Mefama, in Shrankam. Amen.
You see.